Morning to everyone. Today we are going to start exercise 2.4 from chapter number 2, linear equation in one variable. So dear student, in the previous video we had already completed exercise 2.3. Hope you people understood the questions. Now let's start question number 1 from exercise 2.4. So here is the first question. Amina, think of a number and subtract 5 by 2 from it. That means whatever the Amina is going to think, that number will be subtracted, okay, with 5 by 2. She multiplied the result by 8. Then after subtracting, she is going to multiply that with 8, okay. Then now the result obtained is 3 times the same number thought of. What is the number? So let Amina thought of a number be x, we will consider. She is going to multiply, she is going to subtract 5 by 2 from it. From it means x. वो जो नंबर सोची है उसी नंबर से वो सब्सट्रैक्ट करेगी. So x from that means the second term will become the first term and first term will become the second term. So x minus 5 by 2. This result, that means this particular result will be multiplied with 8. Here it is said na, she multiplied the result by 8. That's why 8 will be multiplied with x minus 5 by 2. Clear? Then after it is said in the question, the result now obtained is 3 times the same number she thought of. 3 times the same number she thought of. What the number she thought of? That number is x. So 3 times of x. Have you understood? Now what we have to do, student? We have to solve this particular equation. So in order to solve this particular equation, 8 will be get inside the bracket and it will be multiplied with x as well as 5 by 2. So 8 into x will be 8x minus 8 into 5 by 2 is equals to 3x. Okay. So 2 ones are 2 and 2 4s is 8. So it will be get cancelled. So what the equation we will get? 8x minus 4 into 5, that is 20, is equals to 3x. Now after this, the x term we will take to one side and the constant term towards the other side. This equation before we get, and we had taken x term to one side, okay, the constant term to the other side. Now 8x minus 3x, it will become 5x is equals to 20. So x is equals to 20 will be divided by 5. So here 5 ones are and 5 fours are. So x is equals to 4. So what the number she thought of? The number she thought of is x. Clear? Now next question we are having here. A positive number, we are having the next question number 2 is that a positive number is 5 times the another number. 5 times the another number. That means here two numbers are present. One is the x and another positive number is 5x. Okay. A positive number is 5 times the another number. So let the another number be x. Then the positive numbers 5 times the another number will be 5x. Obviously. ठीक है. एक नंबर जो है वो x है और जो दूसरा नंबर होगा जो पॉजिटिव है वो पहले नंबर के 5 गुना होगा. That's why it is 5x. Then after that it is said first number is x, second number is 5x. Okay. Then 21 is added to both of the numbers. So x plus 21 and 5x plus 21. Then after in the question it is said that then one of the new number becomes the twice the other new number. One of the new number will become twice the other new number. That means 2 will be multiplied with x plus 21. So here it will become 2x plus 42 is equals to 5x plus 21. Will be become the equation like this. Then when the equation becomes like this, we have to solve it. Okay. Now let's see how to solve the equation. Since we got an equation as how much, 5x plus 21 is equals to 2x plus 42. This equation we had got. Now x term will be taken to one side and the constant term will be taken to other side. So here 5x minus 2x will become 3x and 42 minus 21 will become 21 itself. Now x is equals to 21 will be divided by 3. So 3 ones are and 3 sevens are. So what the value of x we are getting, that is 7. Now since the positive number is 5x, x वैल्यू मिल गया ना. अब पॉजिटिव नंबर 5x है उसकी भी वैल्यू फाइंड करेंगे. सो फॉर दैट व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, दैट इज 5x, isn't it? One of the number is x is equals to 7. Another one number is positive, that is 5x. So it will become 5 into 7. So it will become 35. So answer will be 35 and 7. Clear everyone? Next question, question number 3. In the question number 3 it is said that, listen it very carefully, it's one of the most important question and a confusing type of question. So here sum of the digit of a 2-digit number is 9. When we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original number by 27. What is the 2-digit number? So dear student, सबसे पहले ये समझ लो, when we are expanding some number, suppose I am having a number 27. What is the ones place value? 7. What is the tens place value? 2. How to expand this 27? 27 is expanded as 2 into 10 plus 7 into 1. ऐसे ही एक्सपैंड करेंगे ना. 27 को एक्सपैंडिंग फॉर्म में अगर एक्सपैंडेड करने बोलता है तो 2 into 10 plus 7 into 1, because 7 is units place. Unit place means ones place value and 2 is tens place value. In tens place value 2 is present, that's why. Now same thing we have to do in this question. Okay, now after this, if it is said that we are going to interchange the position, tens will become ones and ones will become tens. That means अगर हम इसकी पोजीशन चेंज कर देते हैं, वंस के प्लेस वैल्यू पर 2 आ जाएगा, सिंस इन द क्वेश्चन ऑल्सो इंटरचेंज इट इज गिवन, दैट्स वाई. और टेंस के प्लेस वैल्यू पर 7 will come. So the expanded form of 72 will become how much? That is 7 into 10 plus 2 into 1. ऐसा ही होगा ना दोनों का expanded form. When we are going to change the interchanging the ones place value to tens and tens place value to ones, the number 27 will become 72. है ना, ऐसे ही होगा. सेम इसी तरह का ये एग्जाम्पल मैंने समझाया है, इसी को हमको इस क्वेश्चन पे अप्लाई करना है. पहले हम उसका वंस प्लेस वैल्यू को x कंसिडर करेंगे, तो टेंस की प्लेस वैल्यू ऑटोमेटिकली 9 माइनस x होगा ना. 9 माइनस x, वंस प्लेस वैल्यू इज x, टेंस प्लेस वैल्यू, वंस प्लेस वैल्यू इज x, टेंस प्लेस वैल्यू 9 minus x. Understood? Now how to expand this number? इसको expand कैसे करेंगे? So 9 minus 10 into 9 minus x into 10, expand ऐसे ही करते हैं ना, plus x into 1. So x into 1 will become simple. So 9 into 10 into 9 minus x plus x. Have you understood up to here? यहाँ तक समझ आया? So let the unit place, that means ones place digit of 2-digit number is x and tens place digit will be 9 minus x. So when we are going to expand here, यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं, यहाँ पर सिर्फ एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म का फॉर्मूला लिखा हुआ है. तो एक्सपैंड करने पर हमको क्या नंबर मिलेगा? 10 into 9 minus x plus x, ये नंबर मिलेगा. उसके बाद नाउ इट इज़ इंटरचेंज्ड. इंटरचेंज दैट मीन्स वंस प्लेस वैल्यू विल बिकम 9 minus x and tens place value become x. Now expanding this, इसको एक्सपांड करेंगे तो क्या होगा, 10 इंटू एक्स प्लस 9 माइनस एक्स इंटू 1 हो गया ऐसे. सो ये हो जाएगा 10x प्लस 9 माइनस एक्स. We will get like this the second equation. So in the second equation, after when we interchange the digit, it is found that the resulting new number is greater than the original by 27. So here 27 will be added by the equation this. इस पहले वाले बिना वंस की प्लेस वैल्यू को टेंस में और टेंस की प्लेस वैल्यू को वंस में चेंज करने के पहले जो नंबर 27 होगा वो ओरिजिनल में मतलब यहाँ पर ऐड होगा. ठीक है. ये देन आफ्टर चेंजिंग द प्लेस वैल्यू वी विल गेट एज 10x प्लस 9 माइनस एक्स. क्लियर. Now we have to solve this particular equation. Now 10x plus 10x minus x will become 9x. And what is number left out? That is plus 9 is equals to, here it will become 90. Then 10 minus 10x plus x plus 27. So 90 plus 27. Here this side 9x plus 9 will remain same. Then 90 plus 27 will become 117. Then 10x minus 10x plus x will become minus 9x. Taking one side to the x term, we will get 9x plus 9x is equals to 117 minus 9. So 9x plus 9x will become 18x is equals to 117 minus 9 will become 108. Now x is equals to 108 will be divided by 18. So we will get the answer as 6. Clear. Now after doing this we will get the answer as 6. So ones place value we got. This one is ones place value. Okay. Now tens place value. Tens place value what we are having? That is 9 minus x. So 9 minus 6, it will be 3. So tens place value is 3 and ones place value is 6. So it will become 36 is the number. Clear everyone? Have you understood? Little bit a confusion here, थोड़ा सा कन्फ्यूजन आएगा, बट आप बार बार उसको सॉल्व करोगे और बार बार एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म की, जैसे मैंने एग्जांपल लेकर के आपको समझाया ना एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म वाला, वो एग्जांपल लेकर के बार बार समझने की कोशिश करोगे तो आपको आसानी से समझ आ जाएगा. ठीक है. नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. वन ऑफ द टू डिजिट of a 2-digit number is 3 times the other digit. If you interchange the digit of this 2-digit number and add the resulting number to the original number, you got 88. What is the original number? So it is same as the question number 3. So let units digit ones place value be x, tens place value be 3x. ठीक है. So ones place value is x, tens place value is 3x. So expanding this number is 3x into 10 plus x into 1. So it will become 30x plus x, isn't it? Then when it is said if you interchange, that means if we are going to interchange the number, it will become ones will become tens and tens will become ones, like this. So here it will be 10x plus 3 into 1 will be 3x. So it will become like this. Clear everyone? After solving that part, we will get according to the question. This is the expanded formula only. So 10x plus 3x plus 31. So 10x plus 3x, how much it will be? It will be 13x added with 31, it will become 44x. Clear? Now 44x will be divided by 88. as it is set the result, original number you will get as 88. So 44 will be divided with 88. X value we will get as 2. Clear? Now ones place value we got as 2. Tens place value is 3x, isn't it? So tens place value we are having 3x. So 3 into 2 will be 6. So ones place value is 2 and tens place value is 6. So what is the number we are having? That is 62 is the number. Clear everyone? Next question. Fifth. Shabo's mother's present age is 6 times Shabo's age. Okay. Shabo's age 5 years from now will be 1/3 of the mother's age. So what is present age? What is the present age of Shabo and her mother? So let Shabo's present age be x and 6 times her mother's age will be 6 times Shabo's age. So if Shabo's age will be x, then Shabo's mother will be 6 times of Shabo's age is, that means 6x. Okay, then it is again said that 5 years from now Shabo's age will be x plus 5 and her mother's age will be 1/3 of the present age. So it will be like this. So equation will become here. Clear? Here it will be multiplication. So x plus 5 is equals to 1 by 3 into 6x. So here 3 ones are 3 and 6 will get cancelled. Here ones are, here 3s are. So so it will become how much? X plus 5 is equals to 2x. Now x plus 5 is equals to 2x. X will be transposed to one side and constant term transposed to another side. So what is the Shabo's age will be? So 2x minus x will be x. So Shabo's age will be 5 years and her mother's age, as we know that 6x is her present age. So 6 into 5 will be 30. So Shabo's mother's age is 30 years. Clear everyone? Now next question we are having. There is a narrow rectangular plot reserved for a school in a Maholi village. The length and the breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4 at the rate ₹100 per meter. It will cost the village panchayat ₹75 to fence the plot. What are the dimension of the plot? So dear student, dimension मतलब होता है length और breadth. Okay, what are the dimensions? So dimension, it means length and breadth. So let the dimension we will consider as x. Dimension we will consider as x, as the dimension is given in the form of ratio, that is L is to B is 11:4. So length will become 11x and breadth will become 4x. Clear? Now you know that what is the perimeter formula is. Why we are using perimeter formula? Because here is the word come fence. Fence means boundary. Boundary means outer side, perimeter, isn't it? So 2 into L plus B we are going to use the formula over here. Clear everyone? Now using the formula we are going to calculate this. So here why this 75,000 is divided by 100? Because 75,000 is in the form of centimeter, that we had changed it into form of meter, that's why. So 70 perimeter value is 750 is equals to 2 into L plus B, where L is 11x, B is 4x. So 11 plus 4x, 11x plus 4x will become 15x, isn't it? Now 2 into 15 will become 2 into 15, 750 is equals to 2 into 15x will become 30x, isn't it? So 750 divided by 30 is equals to x. Okay, so 0 0 will get cancelled, 1s are and 25. So x value, x is what? X is the length. X is the dimension, not length. Okay, so here the value of x we got it as 25. Now what is the dimension length we are having? That is 11, isn't it? 11x. So here 11 into 25 will become 275 meter. In the same way, breadth is 4x. So 4 into 25 will become 100 meter. So here we had completed the solution. Question number 6. Now look the question number 7. Hassan buy two kinds of cloth material for school uniform. Shirt material that cost him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material that cost him rupees 90 per meter. For every 2 meter of the trouser material, he buy 3 meters of the shirts material. He sells the material at 12% and 10% respectively. His total sale is rupees 36,000. How much trouser material did he buy? So dear student, let the ratio between the shirt and the trouser material will be 3x and 2x. Why it is so? Because for every 2 meter of the trouser material, he buy 3 meter of shirt. That's why here in the question it is very clearly given that for every 2 meters of trouser material, he used to buy 3 meters of shirts material. So we will consider it in the form of ratio, as the cost of every shirt is given as 50 rupees, isn't it? And trouser cost is given as 90 rupees. So here the selling price at 12% gain, formula is 100 plus profit percent into CP upon 100, putting the value 100 plus 12 upon 100 into 150x. From 150 कहाँ से मिला? 50 is the cost of shirts, that is shirt is 3x, so 150x. So here we will get the answer as, while calculating we will get the answer as 168. And in the same way, selling price of 12% gain in the trouser, so that is 100 plus profit percent upon 100 into CP. This is the formula. Substituting the value, as profit percent is 10, 100 from the formula divided by 100 also from the formula, and into 180x. 180x कहाँ से मिला? 2x trouser का है और 1 मीटर trouser का रेट 90 रुपीज़ है, तो 90 into 2x will be 180x. Okay, calculating that we will get the answer as 190x. Clear? Then according to the question, some of it is said that दोनों का शर्ट और ट्राउज़र का कॉस्ट होना चाहिए, वो 36,600 है. सो 168x प्लस 198x is equals to 36,600. So adding that we will get the required answer as 366x is equals to 36,600. Dividing that we will get the required answer as 100 meter. Now trouser material is 2x, isn't it? And shirt material is 3x. So calculate, putting the value of x, we will get the required answer. Clear student? So dear student, here we had completed the question. Now tomorrow we are going to see the question number 8. So today, thank you everyone.